Your sites. On this screen, you can find the list of files in the HTML5 format, create new files, edit existing files, delete existing files, and create a backup. These files can be used in websites, mini sites, landing pages, mobile pages, or Facebook pages. They can be exported to a storage server on FTP, downloaded to your PC, and then uploaded to the server storage. Editor, desktop for design work, production, and file management. Sites. In this table you can create new files and manage the files that are already in the system. Column details. ID, a serial number provided by the system. Name, name of the file. This name cannot be changed after being initially defined. Description, description of the file. Size, size of a file in the system. Editor, desktop for design work, production, and file management. Download. Create zip files that contain the HTML5 file, which includes the JavaScript files, as well as the CSS files, and other relevant folders and files. FTP allows you to export all the files to an external server. In the FTP window, we will fill in the following information. Enter the server address or IP that we want to move the files to. Port. The default for this field is 21. You can change the port as needed. FTP folder lets you specify the library where you want to store files on the server. Username. Username on the FTP server. Password. Password for the FTP server, if there is one. Send by FTP. Send the files to an external server. Lower menu. Add. Add a new file. This button opens a new window with a selection of design templates that can be changed. You can also begin with an empty template. The templates are divided between mini sites and landing page templates. It is also possible to choose the cursor direction of the files from left to right or from right to left. These templates are flexible and can be modified to allow editing and rearranging designs as necessary. Copy. Copying files that are marked to be recorded again. Edit. Edit the file description. Delete. Deletes the files of the line that is selected. Please note that the delete procedure will permanently erase the file. Lead tag. A code used to transfer the registrant's information from the system's external pages. Site restore point. This table allows for the creation of backups of existing files in the site during the creation phase, backups of a final version, and so on. Column details. ID, a serial number provided by the system. Date, the date it was backed up. Description, description of the backup. Size, file size for system backup. View, view the backup point. Restore, restoring the editor to the point where the backup was made. Please note, restoring measures will delete the current version of the editor and return it to the backup version. Lower menu. Create, creating a backup for files selected in the line. Delete, deleting the backup from the system.